Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager, Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial 3 on how to build websites using Joomla. In the previous lesson, we copied Joomla files and paste them in the www folder of the WAMP. Today, we will complete the installation and launch our site template from the local host. So let's move on. Alright, now we have copied our Joomla files into the www folder and we have created a folder called Joomla Tutorials. The next thing we will do is to activate the WAMP folder. From our desktop here, I'll click on the WAMP folder. Let me click on the WAMP folder. So this is our WAMP folder. It's been activated, but it's still red. It's going to change from red to yellow and from yellow to green. Once it turns green, it means it is ready to start. So as soon as it turns green, we will activate our browser and then we'll continue from there. So let's wait for it to turn green. Okay, the WAMP app is now green. As you can see, it's green now. It means we can start launching our site now. So the next thing you do is you activate your browser. Alright, in the browser, you're going to type in, this is what you're going to type in. You will type in localhost. You type in localhost / Joomla tutorials. Joomla tutorials. Remember, that is the name of the file we created in the WAMP folder. Joomla tutorials. That is the name of the file we created in the WAMP folder. Okay, now we're going to go through this process of installation. This is very important. Before you can commence creating your site, you have to go through this process of installation. Now you have a main configuration, site name. What is the name of the site? We're going to call this site Joomla Tutorials. So we're calling this site Joomla Tutorials. For your own case, you can write what you want. And then you have administrator email. For administrator email, we're going to write joomlatutorials@gmail.com. Joomla tutorials @gmail.com. Joomla tutorials@gmail.com. Then description, leave it blank. Administrator username. Administrator username, you can write admin or whatever you want to write, just write admin. For here I'm going to use admin. Then let's proceed. Admin password. You can choose any password you want, but here let me put Joomla. This is for demonstration purposes. Confirm password. Okay, you go to next. Site offline. Yes, go to next. Alright, here, database configuration, database type MySQLi. Just leave it at MySQLi. Host name is localhost, leave it at localhost. And then username, type in root. And then password, leave it blank. Do not type anything here, just leave it at blank. And then database name. For mine, I have tutorials. Just type whatever you want your database name to be. Type it in, and then let's proceed. Prefix, leave it as it is here, and all database process. Select backup. Okay, select backup. Select backup, and then you go to next. So here you can select learn Joomla English GB sample data. Check this one, and let's see the next. Overview, email configuration, send configuration settings to Joomla. No, leave it at no, and then let's check other settings. Check other settings. I think it's okay, and then you can now click on install. This will take some time. You have to be patient. Alright, our Joomla installation is complete. It says congratulations, Joomla is now installed. And now the next thing you do is remove installation folder. Click on this remove installation folder. It's going to remove the installation folder. So here now you can click on come to this site, takes you to the site, or administrator, it will take you to the administrator end. So now let's go to the administrator end. Alright, now we are at the administrator end. Our username is admin, but the password we used was Joomla. Alright, congratulations, we have installed our Joomla app. And this is the administrator end. This is the end from where you can manage your site. This is where you can control your site. You have two types of view. This is called the administrator view. And now let me take you to the site. In other words, when you have complete creating your website, then you have to go to the site to see all what you have been doing. If you want to do that, just come to this menu here at the left hand side and click on site. That is going to take you to your site end. As you can see, this is Joomla tutorials. That is the name of the site we've imputed for a while we're installing, and this is a template that usually comes with Joomla. We will not be able to go through this today. In the next lesson, we're going to go into understanding both the administrator end of the Joomla and the site end of the Joomla. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.